Hello and welcome back to Music Game News. My name is Ovela and today I will be unboxing and reviewing / giving you my impressions of the Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds. This is like a early Christmas gift for myself. I decided to buy these because, you know, I am a sound engineer, music producer who has dealt with a lot of equipment, a lot of headphones, a lot of earphones. And, you know, I love the fact that technology keeps advancing because I always thought that the audio quality in good headphones is amazing and crucial to produce good quality music. But I've always found it super bulky, you know, and very ugly to look at when people wear it, including myself. Now, if we're talking about earphones, I love the quality of earphones as well, you know, good earphones. But the wires, you know, the wires are very, very annoying because they get tangled up and you can spend, you know, a minute, 2 minutes trying to untangle them before going to work or before going out, and it's very frustrating. Plus, headphones, you know, they're bulky, they're big, and they take too much space in your luggage or in your backpack, right? So this is probably the solution to avoid all that mess. And by the way, the name of these guys is just terrible. I mean, who names a product WF-1000XM3? Who is going to remember that name? Definitely not me. But the box is beautiful. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Here, close up. Alright, so on the box it says that there is hands-free calling with HD voice. I will be testing that very quickly after I open the box. 10 minutes charge, play up to 90 minutes plus. So basically, if you charge it for 10 minutes, you can listen up to 90 minutes of whatever you want. Music playback time with noise cancellation on gives you a maximum of 6 hours, and off it gives you a maximum of 8 hours. Up to 32 hours playtime with charging case. That is wonderful. And the case has a USB Type-C cable. Yeah, baby. All right, people, so it is time to open this bad boy, okay? And it comes with two colors. There's the black color and the beige color. I chose the beige one, look at it, because I don't know, it just looks fancy, and all my other, you know, headphones and earphones have been black. So I've decided to go bold here and choose a different color. So I took the beige one, and I think it also looks just classier, man. It just looks fresh, and they probably will look good with my my glasses too. Alrighty then, let's get to it. All right, so how do you open this? Here we go. Boom. Ta-da! Oh my God, so beautiful. I love it. All right, what does it say on the thing? Start pairing. Oh, yeah, you have to start pairing. That's the first step. Well, well, well. Here's the case. Look at this bad boy. Wow. Wow. Boom. I don't know if you can see. that was the case. It looks gorgeous. Now, oh, and I don't think you can actually put it on the table like this, because obviously this is round. You can put it on its head or on the side. Now, let's check out the actual earbuds. Boom. Boom. Yes, look at these babies. Look at these bad boys. Gorgeous, just beautiful, beautiful. Let me show you guys. And let's see how do you put them back on. So the right one goes here. Poop! Did you see that? And boom. Boom. Wow. Everything is very automatic. Check it out. And they don't fall either. Woo! Wonderful. I love them. I love them. They are beautiful. Let's continue the unboxing. What else is in the box? Okay, we get the earpieces. We get 6 pairs of earpieces, and they look like they're not made with the same, you know, texture, quality, I don't know, foam. They look different basically. And here is the cable, the USB cable that you're gonna need to use to charge your case with. Ta-da! And the instruction manual. Yes, and that's about it. See? Empty. All right, now I'm gonna go download the Sony Headphones Connect application on my phone so that I can pair my earbuds to my phone and start testing them out, and I will come back and let you know what I think, okay? See you soon. All right, I am back now. Before I tell you what I think of the audio, let me try them on and show you what they look like, all right? Here's the right one. You just put it in like that. There you go. You take the left one, and as soon as you put them in, there is a female voice that tells you if they are charged or not and if they're connected or not. So that is very helpful. This is what they look like. What do you think? I think they look awesome. Now, wow. Okay, so I just turned on the ambient sound because before there was the noise cancellation was on, so I could not hear anything in the environment. The ambient sound option turned on, and now I can hear a lot more. It's crazy. The difference is very striking. So let me shake my head just to show you if they can fall off or not. There you go. That was a quick test. Now my head hurts. See, as you can see, they don't fall off at all. So if you're purchasing these for the commute so that you can listen to them while walking to work or just walking anywhere, you'll have no problem with these. If you are buying them to run with them, I don't think you'll have a problem either, but I don't think they will stay in your ears if you're trying to, I don't know, do acrobatics with the earphones. I think they will fall off, but I don't think they were made for that. So, but yeah, that's what they look like. They are honestly very classy, very just, I love them. Ah, there you go. See, they're so tiny. The noise cancellation of these earbuds is fantastic. You know, like they really annul all the rumblings, all the bass. You know, if you're like in a metro or an airplane, it's gonna remove most of it. Although you can still hear like sharp noises. That's what I noticed. The application is very detailed. You can do, you know, check most of the settings of the earbuds from within the application. Like you can turn on, turn off the noise cancellation from the application. You can tinker with the equalization from the application, and it is something. Oh my God. First of all, the audio quality of these earbuds is phenomenal. I am blown away. Sony is killing the game. I heard that the headphone version of these earphones is also phenomenal. So I'm not surprised that these are really that good. I own a bunch of pairs of earphones and headphones. I have a pair of headphones, Sennheiser HD 380 Pro, and I have a pair of headphones, Audio Technica ATH M50X, and honestly I prefer the audio quality of these Sony earbuds. That's how good they are. Yes, they are pricey, but you're getting one of the best audio qualities possible for that price range, honestly. And you know, it depends on people. Some people prefer not to have stuff in their ear, you know, and just have headphones around their ear so that the noise can bounce better. But I don't mind having earbuds, you know, in my ear. I feel like I get closer to the music that way. So I'm very, very happy with these earbuds. Anyway, the equalizer comes with a bunch of preset EQs, and I've tested one that's called, I think, rēÄakSH. And man, the coloration that is put on the songs is just so beautiful. You know, it makes the sound richer, you know, and the voices feel super close to you, and you can hear all the little details. I was really impressed, and there is honestly for all tastes. So I was blown away by the quality. It's really, really impressive. And of course, there is a touchpad on both earbuds so that you can, you know, move on to the next song, go back to the previous song, pause the song. If you remove one of the earbuds, you know, the music will pause. If you put it back, it will start playing again. It's very, very advanced. The only I think disappointing thing is that you cannot control the audio volume from the actual earbuds. That's it. But it's not a bother to me because I'm not used to doing that anyway. I'm always controlling it with either with my smartwatch or with my phone. So it's not really a bother for me. But yes, these things have so many settings that I'm just gonna let you guys discover on your own if you decide to buy them. But honestly, you won't be disappointed with the audio quality. If you're an audiophile, you know, someone who makes music and someone who knows music and listens to music and understands music, you will be satisfied with these because the audio quality is phenomenal. They stay in your ears, and that's what matters, honestly. And the battery is up to 6 hours with noise cancellation on, and 8 hours with noise cancellation off, and up to 32 hours with the case, you know. So it's crazy good, and I am very satisfied with this. So I'm gonna stop here because I did say that this was going to be a quick unboxing / impression / review, whatever. But I really wanted to do this because I'm very happy with the product right now. And you know, this is a channel that mainly speaks about music and vocal performances and stuff. So I think that a product like this fits really well within the subject of the channel. So In the future, if I get more equipment like this, I will make more unboxings and reviews. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this. Tell me how I can improve or not, I don't know. But yeah, this was awesome. I love them and I cannot wait to tinker with them a lot more and understand everything about them and just use them in general because wow, this is awesome. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work, and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.